Ever find yourself lying in bed, exhausted, but your mind just won't shut up? Overthinking, stress, and racing thoughts keep you awake for hours. But what if I told you the US military has a scientifically backed method to help you fall asleep in just 2 minutes? This technique was designed for fighter pilots who needed to fall asleep anywhere, anytime, even with gunfire in the background. And with just 6 weeks of practice, it worked for 96% of people. Let me walk you through it. Step 1, relax your face. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Now, let go of all the tension in your face. Unclench your jaw, relax your cheeks, your tongue, your forehead. Let everything melt away. Step 2, drop your shoulders now. Let your shoulders drop. Feel the tension leaving your neck, your arms, and your hands. Start with your right arm. Relax your bicep, your forearm, your fingers. Now do the same for your left arm. Step 3, exhale and relax your chest. Take a slow, deep breath and exhale. Let your chest fully relax. Feel your entire body getting heavier. Step 4, relax your legs. Move down to your legs. Start with your right thigh. Relax it completely. Let your calf, ankle, and foot sink into the bed. Now do the same for your left leg. By now, your whole body should feel like it's floating. Step 5, clear your mind. Now, think of nothing. If your mind keeps wandering, picture yourself floating on a calm lake or resting in a cozy cabin. Still struggling? Try this. Step 6, repeat don't think for 30 seconds. Instead of forcing yourself to relax, simply repeat the words, don't think, over and over in your head for 30 seconds. This distracts your brain from overthinking and helps you slip into unconsciousness. Final thoughts. This might not work instantly, but with practice, you'll train your brain to shut down on command. Try this for a week and see how fast you fall asleep. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more science-backed life hacks